Pulling together your dental portfolio has always been a bit of a hassle. So in this video, I'm really excited to show you Denota's latest feature, Portfolios. This feature lets you create a beautiful, professionally designed portfolio for your work, publish your changes, and share it as a link, almost like having your very own portfolio website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of the features, add new pages, upload your images, add captions and descriptions, then hit publish and share your link to your new dental portfolio. Let's take a look. So this is your portfolio editor. And in this case, I'm going to be pretending to create a portfolio for a Dr. John Gill. We can see John's role and his current employer here. We have a little bio, which we can edit directly on the page, as well as details like city and profile picture. So this will be the style that your portfolio will take, and you are free to edit any of the details, add experiences, awards and education, history, and of course, add pages and upload images to actually fill out your portfolio. So let's start with the top section. This is kind of your profile, your bio, where you can add almost a little mini CV. Now, this is your portfolio. It's not actually a resume, but it's nice to have some of this summary information about you when you share your link to your portfolio. To edit any of these details, you just simply click into the page, make your changes, and it will automatically save your portfolio details. To upload an image, click Choose File for your profile, select an image, and your profile will update automatically. You can also add social links and an email, a contact email, so that anyone that visits your profile can get in touch. Experiences and awards sections. So this is where you can give a little bit of a history about your work experience, any clinics that you've worked at before, any other relevant experiences, and you can just give a length either by typing 2 years, or you can even give the years that you worked this experience. Experience or an award, just hit this X and it will automatically update. So your portfolio will be empty and you won't have these pages that I see here. To add a page, at the top you'll notice there's an Add Page button, which then lets you select a layout for the page that you'd like to add. So we have 6 options for the layouts. We have a 2-column, which is like this. We have 2 rows, which are like this. 3 rows, 3 columns, 4 columns, and a 5-part, which can be useful for things like Invisalign. 2-column layout. The page order will automatically update based on where you add your page, and then you can give it a title, which is good for things like the sections of your portfolio. So, for example, our prosthodontics section and examples, we could give a title for that, and other pages with similar cases. We can give a before and maybe after title. Again, just upload your image by clicking Choose File. So here's an example of a page that I've created for composite work. We can see the before and after with a little description about what was done. And this side-by-side 2-column layout gives a very clear before-after picture of what happened in this case study. Some of the formats will be better suited to different layouts. So if you have images that are quite long and narrow, maybe you want to look at one of these side-by-side or 3-row layouts. As well as if you have more information and description to write, you might want to use one of these different layouts. If you have a series of work that's following some progression, maybe the 3-column or even the 4-column layout will be a better fit for you. And as mentioned earlier, there is a 5-part layout, which can be good for things like Invisalign. All of these pages work the same way. Simply click into either the heading to make edits, and the description works the same way. A couple of final things to note. You can delete pages by clicking on this trash icon in the top right corner. So if I wanted to get rid of this demo page, I would just click this button. It will automatically refresh and show me the next page in the order. Lastly, we do have a dark mode to add a little bit more styling. I plan on adding more styling options in future, but for now we just have this dark mode toggle. So if you do want to mix up your portfolio a little bit, you can click dark mode and it will flip to a darker theme. If you want to switch back, just click it again and you'll have your light mode activated. So this is your portfolio page where you are going to be working on it, and it's basically your editor where you can edit your portfolio website. As soon as you're ready to share your portfolio, you've made the changes, you've added your experience, you've uploaded all the images and pages that you'd like, just hit publish, and this will ensure that anyone who tries to visit your portfolio page. So now that it's published, let's actually view the portfolio that we've just created. Clicking this view button will take me to this live website view, which we can see we have all of our bio, all of our experiences, all of our work and pages, except it's now been reformatted to be a live website, which anyone with this link can view. So if you'd like to share it with someone, you can hit this share button, which will copy the link, or just copy the URL, and anyone who inputs that URL into a browser can visit it just like visiting any other website. If you'd like to make changes and you don't want anyone to be able to visit your portfolio while you're working on it, just click unpublish. And when anyone tries to visit your portfolio, they'll be met with this page which says, sorry, this portfolio is currently not published. And that's it. To recap, you can add pages from the top, choose a layout, upload your images and descriptions, and when you're ready and have made all your changes, simply click publish, then head over to your new portfolio URL and share it with anyone who you'd like to see it. Thanks for watching.